Rider Greg. Thanks for tuning in. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share, leave comments. Take that slider down at the bottom if you can't finish watching the whole video and slide it all the way over to the right before you leave, please. That will really help me out. And I could really use some help on getting some more subscribers. That would really be great if I could get to 500 subscribers by Thanksgiving. Stopped to get a cold drink because I was real thirsty after riding, and then I realized I hadn't done a walk around with my bike since I installed my fairing windshield. It's a Krator, not an Empress shade, it's a Krator. So I got to find a place to park up here and show that off to. And I had a subscriber specifically request that I show off the new bike. So I'll get up, pull over here in the Safeway shopping center. It's coming up here directly, and I'll pull off in there and I'll take the camera off and I'll show you this new bike more than what I showed you from the the messed up live stream where my laptop shut off in the middle of it. And then I had to do the walk around with the holding the laptop with that camera on there because YouTube won't let me live stream from a mobile device till I got 1,000 subscribers. I'd like to get to 500 subscribers by Thanksgiving and 1,000 by New Year's. That would really be cool. But to do that, I need your help. I can't do it by myself. I know you can only sub one time. But if you're not already subbed, and I know there are some people out there that watch my videos, they don't subscribe. I know you can't subscribe from the TV and you can't leave comments, but you could just sign in to YouTube on your computer or your phone and then subscribe. That'd be great. Let's see. I'll find a good spot here. Huh. Boy, I remember when there were never this many cars. There's always a lot down here where Safeway is, but not where these other stores are now. I remember when that Cow Ranch first opened up, there was a lot of people there right at first, but then it slowed down, and then I'd go there and there wouldn't be that many. Over there where there's more room. Make somebody mad by taking up 2 parking places. There. This will be good. I think I'm parked on a hill though. No, this isn't gonna work. It's a hill here. Find something that's flatter or park the other way. Yeah, this will be good because now the kickstand side is lower. There we go. This should be good. Yeah. Okay, hold on while I take this GoPro out. Oh, here it is from the side. And there's the crash bars that I put on. Now we're coming around. You can see this Krator fairing and windshield that I just put on yesterday. That was another all-day job. Something I thought should have only taken 2 hours. Closer to about 5.5 or 6 hours. I got it on, but I don't really like the way this headlight sits in here. And I went on and I saw on YouTube where people were buying what they called a headlight block extender. Bring the headlight out in front of it. I don't know. I don't like that. But I think if you needed that, it should have come with it. I'll probably order it, but I'm in no hurry to take that thing apart though to get that headlight out. So, but I think the windshield and the fairing look pretty good. I think they look every bit as good as the Memphis shades, and this was readily available, no waiting. It was $100. I'll put a link to the company that was selling it on Amazon. It wasn't an Amazon Prime item. It was somebody else's, but they still said I got free returns and all that. Anyway, here's this side of the bike. I really like these saddlebags. They're not too big, they're not real small. The guy, of course, didn't have keys. That's why I got the lockout on this one. I'm trying to find a replacement lock cylinder, so I'll have keys for it. They want too much to pick the lock and then make the keys, so I'm trying to find a cylinder fits it. So far I'm not having that much luck. I ordered one late last night. Actually, it was a group of 4 from Amazon, but I gotta it's a whole lock system, but I gotta take it apart and put the particular kind of latch that this has. Hopefully I can put it on there and it'll work, and I'll have keys. Here's the bike. The view through the windshield. Of course, you've been seeing that on the video. And I got 20,673 miles. I don't know if you can see that, but the sun is kind of bright. And that's in the shades. But anyway, that's it. I like this sissy bar. These taillights were a bit of a pain. They didn't work right. They were working to a degree when I bought it, but then by the time I got it off the trailer, one of them wasn't working at all. And it had LED bulbs that plugged in there, and they weren't really fitting in there very well. And this one here, either somebody had glued it in or it had gotten hot and melted in there, because it was all like the plastic was all stuck to the base of the bulb. Both of them, I had to break the bulbs to get them out, but that one had all this plastic in there, and I think maybe that bulb didn't have the circuitry for adapting to the kind of power, or to the power needs. So I bought these other ones that it's on a circuit board, and it's got all that on there. All that circuitry is on there. And there's the Freedom Performance exhaust, much like Vance & Hines straight shots. God, I love the sound of that. Several of you have said how much you like it. But that's the new bike, or new for me. You'll be seeing a lot of it lately. You're still going to be seeing the Road King too, because I'm going to be still riding it. I'm keeping it. In fact, I was just talking to my trusted mechanic, Jesus, JJ's V-Twin. If anybody here in in the Prescott Valley, Chino Valley, Mare, Dewey, Spring Valley, Cordis Lakes, Cordis Junction, whatever you want to call it, area. He's got lots of business. I don't know that he really needs any business, but he's a good mechanic. He's very honest and very good, and I highly recommend him. Well, thanks for tuning in. Don't miss the next thrill-packed, exciting adventure.